cannot stop stopping.
Woo. This is Bosnia. Cool. That's some breakfast. Right, so she said do that, right?
Yeah, so.
And do the old foamaruza. Oh. Nostrovia. Better than yesterday's one.
Mm-hmm.
How was that? Yeah.
First stop of the day, Blagaj Waterfall.
Look at that. Yeah, it's all overflowing over there. Look at that. That is a waterfall. So apparently, what was it? A dragon whipped his tail up and made that the whole. Totally believable. Yeah, cheers, Nostrovia. Right, I got my pancake. Am's got his Bosnian burger and token health, token salad. And we've got the food patrol on time and on duty.
Now on to our second waterfall, Kravica.
I know that you are hard to do. I know that you can trust.
And this kind lady with no ulterior motive was giving us free rakia.
Very fresh.
To love,
Maybe you'll drive it back.
to love,
I've seen reports of people paying 10 euros to get into the waterfalls. I don't remember paying, but don't quote me on that. Either way, it's a good place to have a swim and enjoy just the scenic waterfalls. The security have not recommended going in, and it's freezing cold. And I'm guessing the current is pretty strong as well.
But not today. Another cheers with a waterfall in the background.
Cheers to you. And then the current died down, so we were allowed in. Okay, we have made the executive decision. Where is it we're driving now?
Or something, or
Jovic.
I don't know how you say it.
We're going to drive there now, which is about 3-4 hours, something like this. Sack off Mostar because it's tiny. And then we'll be slightly closer to Belgrade. Slightly better than, 8 hours rush driving. So we drove back to Mostar, packed up our things, and thus started our 3-hour journey to Jaše, or I think that's egg in Bosnian. Okay. Oh, here we go. Yes, perfect. Perfect. Okay, it's pitch black, but in the name of saying we've seen 3 waterfalls in a day, we're just coming down. Oh yeah, I can see it. Oh yeah, dude. And you can kind of see it on camera. 3 waterfalls in a day. And then we went for some dinner. Technically not our last night.
Road trip.
It's our last road trip night.
Yeah.
So there we go. There it is. The road tripping. So we think there was a bit of miscommunication with ordering our food. There was a pizza coming, and we have 2 burgers and a mixed meat. We're gonna have to like get it to go or something.
Maybe, yeah.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Yeah, she was like, "You're hungry boys," and we're like, "What? Why are we Why are we hungry? Because she had misunderstood the order. 30 mark, and I've got breakfast, lunch and dinner for the next week. After dinner, we thought we'd check out the waterfall again as we found a better route to see it properly. Don't want to lose my hat. Stairs going down there as well. That is bloody bonkers, that. Thus concludes this pretty epic day. Like, we've done so much today. Oh my god, knackered now. Alright, see you tomorrow. Now we go into Croatia. Okay, we're returning the car.
I solemnly declare that I am a vegetarian.